Hey up everyone, today Gloster Meteor F8 172 scale Airfix. This is a new 2022 just been released kit. Side here, your warnings, tells you've got cartograf, which is the decals, Hornby, and the BAE is a registered trademark and all of that. 8+ just explains the model number and what you get in there. It's a side picture, it's the same picture as the front, but also just telling you you've got on this side a little bit about the Gloster Meteor, or it's one of the first proper jets, and then you've got a British version, and then you've got a Belgium version there. Umbrella explaining what paints, glues, etc. 1 flying hour, skill level 2. They only count really if you're into Airfix Club, but I'd always say cut them off, chuck them in a box. You never know, you might need them. Let's get into the box then. I've been looking forward to this because I think this aircraft looks absolutely beautiful, really does. Decent bag of bits, sprues. And that's it in there. Just chuck that there. Right. First off, I'm going to do this quick because I know most people, when you're watching these unboxings and reviews, you want to see what you get with the kit, what it's like, etc. and be quick about it. Right. Decals first. You've got lovely, smooth decals, very nice, crisp printed, lovely colours, very bright. The Belgium colours look brilliant. I mean, it's the red and the yellows, and they do look lovely. Lots, I mean, wow. You see these tiny decals here? Lots and lots and lots of decals. We're on 89 decals just there in them tiny ones. And that doesn't include these ones you're going to put on for each version. So you're going to be putting about nearly 100 decals on. By the looks, I'd be surprised if they gave them you didn't use many. Quick one of the cockpit for the control panel. Let's see, cover it a bit. That's better. There you go. Looks nice. But there are your decals. They look well. Instructions. Usual. Just explain about aircraft, dimensions, specs, everything. Getting on to the build, and we've got the simple instructions as always from Airfix, especially with these new modern ones, and it looks like each stage is very nicely represented. It's telling you the colour paints here, 85, which is the colour which you need for each section whenever you're doing so. That's a 56, so whatever 56 is like that. But as you can see, I'm just going to flick through them so you can have a quick glimpse. It looks like it's got a lot of build sections. I mean, I'm on 55 there already, it is. Got different variants, whether you're having these up, down. There you go. Overall, 79 different variants, and you do get a pilot. First one, the schemes, colour schemes, there you go, is number 500 Squadron, County Kent one. The second colour scheme, the top one there, is the number 74 Squadron Royal Air Force Horsham. And the bottom one, let me just bring it back and split up a bit, there you go. That's the Squadron, number 350 Squadron, Belgium Air Force. Yeah. And then on the back is it looks very common, but it's just all the different decals where you're placing them over the common ones. That's for the lot now, so that's all of them are copied for that. So there you go, instructions. Let's get into this bag. Let's see what we've got in here. Come out, that's it. And clear bag. put that to the side there. We'll do this one first and just go straight through them. This one is sprue C. A grey plastic. Slightly soft. Feels nice. Absolutely crisp. Beautifully crisp. Look at this. I'm presuming this is, it's got to be cockpit. It looks like cockpit. Right. It's not focusing in yet. Let me just get my camera to, come on. Oh, I don't want to. Oh, it's doing it now. There you go. Look at that. That, for 1/72 scale, that is fantastic. You couldn't ask for any better. That is brilliant. For moulded on detail, that's great. On that side, you can see where your Cinco marks are, where it's punched out. It's all on the backs. All hidden. You won't see it. Lovely. That's a cracking sprue, that. This one's D. And we've got, obviously, wheels. All different parts. This looks like your nose. Your pilot. Not very well detailed for pilot. I will just see if I can get it to... it's that light, it tends to stuff her up. That's it better. Come on. There you go. Right, there. It's got a bit of detail on it, but I'll be honest with you, I've seen better. But I don't tend to use these pilots because I find that they're a bit rubbish. But then again, if you want to use it, you can use it, but not as good as the rest of the kit seems to be detailed. But lots and lots. There's your instrument panel there. I don't know if you could paint that up individual. That's why you've got decals. But yeah, lovely, lovely. And here we go. This is obviously the internal section for where you'll see through for the undercarriage. I'm presuming actually, but lots of detail for all the strutting or whatever you want to call it. That's frame B, by the way, or sprue B. Nice details. Yeah, good. Can't knock this. This is beautiful. Again, more. This is the main frames. This is sprue A. And you can see it is absolutely cracking. Beautiful. Beautiful kit, beautiful detail this. Really looking forward to building this. I can see a lot of this detail that you're getting with this is just going to disappear because it'll be buried in cockpit or behind stuff. Always is. Oh, two tiny bits of sprue, that's no good. Last but not least, let's have a look at your actual clear parts. Front at cockpit, canopy, you've got, looks like two canopies. One is completely clear, one is like half blurred, so obviously it's probably a Belgium one or whatever. It's two different sorts you've got. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 other clear parts there that obviously are going to be used in different areas, lights, stuff like that. So there you go, one gloster meteor by Airfix, and they are absolutely, we're at this end yet, they are absolutely beautiful sprues, details, the lot, fantastic, can't knock it. This is a kit that I'm really looking forward to building. I've always wanted to get one, a meteor, but you never seem to see many about. There's not many companies that make a bit weird looking aircraft like this, but I really like it, always liked it since I was a kid. So next stage we'll be building this. Hopefully you'll be around to see me build it. But thanks for watching. Hope this unboxing and review has helped you to decide whether to buy one or not. It's about 24 quid. You can get it direct from Airfix, but there's lots of model shops now stocking it. It's getting pumped out at stores everywhere. I'll leave a link So if you want to just click on that and it'll take you straight to Airfix. I have got no affiliation with Airfix. I do not make anything from them. It's just to help you if you want to quickly get thingy. It's to Airfix in UK, so I don't know for anywhere in the world where you get it. You'd have to check yourselves. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please give us a thumbs up. All helps my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers in a year. I'd be absolutely hot moon if I did. So if you give me a subscription, like subscribe to me, be well chuffed. Anyway, catch you all later. Cheers.